guys, or wherever you're at. We are on our way to the Miami Beach Boat Show. Me and the Queen. Where you at, Queen?
Hello, guys.
She's behind the camera this time. Usually it's me. Yep, we're on the interstate. We got 150 miles to go. There's a couple people we want to try to meet up with in the creators booth. So Miami Beach Convention Center recognizes the YouTubers and the TikToks and Instagram. So they have an award ceremony for creative people with social media. So we sent them in our channel name, and they sent us free tickets to the Miami Beach Boat Show. So we're going to try to get down there early, but we're going to hit the traffic in West Palm, Lauderdale, Miami. So it's a 3-hour drive, but it could be 3 hours plus if there's any kind of traffic delays. So we'll show you some of the traffic, and we'll show you the convention center.
How you doing?
So he was sizing up what he was keeping.
How did that make you feel?
I went home, well, I came down from St. Augustine and I went staying with my mom. And I literally, when I got to my mom, I broke down. And she said, suck it up.
No, we want to do it. We want to do it.
There you go. What a couple fishing.
Hey, good photo bombing.
You finally meet them, guys.
Hey guys, how
Subscribe
are you?
them. And this is Captain.
There we go. There's my main man right there.
There you go. Thank you.
Well, guys, we're about to call it a day at the Miami Boat Show. There's the Queen, little shorty. See the cap?
I got a come from Florida fishing couple, guys.
Yeah, we met the Florida fishing couple, and it was a good day. It wasn't a lot of big boats, a lot of beautiful boats, but so yeah, we're about to call it a day. Just a short video of us at the Miami Boat Show.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for following us.
Thank you for watching, guys.